Your arms.
I'm gonna throw the other one in a minute.
Sleepyhead.
Whoop. You up now? Nope. Are you up? Are you awake yet?
That must have been a good bottle, huh?
You gonna go back to sleep, you
Can't
groupie?
shake it. Can't shake it. We can't
That
shake
shaking
it.
puts you back to sleep,
Okay?
does it?
Yeah, we can't shake it. We have to just tap it gentle.
There are drugs in there?